Step 1. Place a steel pipe in the middle of the container to easy push the machine. Step 2. Move machine body into the container by crane. Make sure the machine is in the middle of the container. Step 3. Forklift to hold the machine and put it down. Then loosen the ring buckle. Step 4. When the machine body completely enters the container, first adjust the position of the steel pipe, then place 2 wooden blocks and adjust the support position of the forklift. Step 5. Forklift to push the machine to a proper fixed position. Step 6. Jack up the machine and take out the steel pipe. Step 7. Stack the other 2 machine botas. First place the support frame on the machine, and then place the other machine body on the support frame. Step 8. Weld iron blocks on the support frame and bind wire ropes to fix the machine. Step 9. Place a steel pipe in the middle of the container to easy push the machine. Step 10. Replace the long steel wire rope, fix it at the lifting hole, and then the crane moves synchronously with the forklift. Step 11. Take off the steel wire rope and push the machine into the container. Step 12. Place 2 wooden blocks under machine to adjust the support position of the forklift. And push the machine to a proper fixed position. Step 13. Take out the steel pipe and let the forklift leave the machine. Step 14. Fixed machine, PLC, hydraulic station, etc.